back to another vlog. It's lunchtime, so I'm making lunch. I'm making karela, dal and roti, and while doing that I'm also watching the inauguration right over there on the TV. Kamala Harris just became the vice president, and now Jennifer Lopez is singing, so yep, very excited, and we're watching that.
Let's go play with.
Take your toy.
Wait.
Mayank is off work and he's gonna go and work out now.
I'm going and play with the toys over here. Come. Come.
So he doesn't like to go alone in that empty room.
You came
I guess. Where are you going? No, Mayank is playing with the toy there. Anyways, Marvel's food just got delivered. What is happening? Marvel's food just got delivered, so we gotta bring that in from the garage because there's a freezer in the garage where we keep his food. And yeah, he's gonna work out. I was editing a video, and yesterday, by the way, I shot 3 recipe videos for you guys, so it'll be out soon. So don't forget to go and subscribe to tonight's special so you can check out all the recipe, and ring that bell button so you get notified every time I post a recipe. And I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner, but you guys know what I made for lunch. But for now, I'm gonna go and sit in the garage. After I clean the dishes, I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher and go sit in the garage while Maya works out. We are done with walking Marvel, and we're actually planning to go and just swing by Nitish and Ashley's place because we don't really have anything to do right now, Marvel, and so we just thought that we'll just go swing by. For dinner, I am making a smoothie for both of us, so I'm gonna make the smoothie and carry it for like to go, and you can have it there. So I'll show you the recipe how I make it. I got these boba tea straws from Amazon. They are basically thick, very thick straws that an entire boba can pass through. And why I got this, because we normally drink thick shakes, and with the thin straw it's very difficult to drink the thick ones, like how we made this one, the thick one. I was actually planning to make up to here, but I guess my idea kind of went in the wrong place and it's only half. But anyways, so this is our shake, and I wanna you take the boba straw with this. So we're gonna go on our way. We're gonna go enjoy the shake when we reach there and have some fun. Alright guys, we are back home. We had some fun, we spent a little bit of time. I didn't show it to you guys because I don't want to bore you guys with the same stuff. But now that we live so close, we don't feel lazy to go and meet each other anytime. So yep. And I'm gonna tuck Marvel in with this Cheeto, and Mayank is getting our night tea, which has chamomile and some of the other goodness that we love, so we can have a good night's sleep. Let me tuck him real quick. This is how I tuck him in the night. Oh, she's a big yawny. Sleep, baby. Good night. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for Mayank to bring me my tea, and I think that's it for today's vlog. I know I didn't show anything too much because nothing much was going on. I'm just showing you my daily lifestyle, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog, so stay tuned.